Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S world. So I'm working on some content for my kids channel, and I came across a little bit of a problem. It's very fixable, so I thought I'd make this quick video. I'm working in Keynote to do the editing for this particular project, and I noticed that some items I placed have sort of a white background that I don't need. So I placed the same pumpkin numerous times. I don't know if you can see it right here where the cursor is right now. The same white mark is here and here and also here and here. So I know in some programs it's possible that the image, once you edit it, it will automatically update wherever it's placed, but in Keynote that's not possible. However, there's a quick fix for that. Now, what you would do is click on the items that need to be edited. Click on Format. Click on Advanced. And then go down to where it says Define as Media Placeholder. So I'm going to click on that, and you see this little photo icon show up here. So now what that allows is for this image to maintain the size, the placement, etc., but just update with the revised image. So I'm going to just drag my pumpkin image here. That's the edited image here. I'm going to just drag that right to this box, and immediately the white mark disappears. So I'm going to do that for this one as well. So Format, Advanced, Define as Media Placeholder. The photo icon appears there, and then you're going to drag the revised image right to that box. And it shifted just a tiny bit, but it's more or less in the same position there. Here's another one, just to give you an idea of how quick and easy image icon appeared, and place it, and immediately it disappeared. So that's an easy way to make that change rather than having to just delete it and try to reposition it. I'm doing one more, and immediately the white mark disappears. So that's just a quick video just showing you this quick fix if you have to replace some images very quickly in Keynote. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Thanks for watching.